Shahar Zara. So today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day inspired date look. I want to show you guys how I achieve this look, and it's like super like bold but at the same time kind of like understated glam. So happy Valentine's Day. Even if you don't have a Valentine's, happy Valentine's Day. Love is something to be celebrated, so I think that even if you don't have a day or you don't have a Valentine, you can still like put on some makeup, show yourself some love on that day, and celebrate yourself, because self-love is very important. You have to like love yourself before anyone else can love you, honestly. So if you guys are interested in seeing like how I achieve this makeup look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off my face with moisturizer. I have already put moisturizer after I got out the shower and washed my face, but I like to put on like double moisture because it's winter right now and I do have dry skin. So I'm gonna be using this Core's Wild Rose moisturizer. I really like it because it just makes my face feel very refreshed, so I always put it on. After that, I'm gonna put on a lip mask. I got this lip mask from Seraphine Botanicals, and I actually got this in, it's a glow lip mask. It's an apple and balm glow lip mask, and it's for hydration and glow for my lips. So I just put that on before I start my makeup so that my lips can be prepped nicely before I put anything on, and color correct my face. So I use Makeup Forever Radiant Primer. This is like the orange one. This is just a color corrector that I like to use. So I always go over any of the like spots I have on my face. So I'm gonna use this concealer brush, and I got some on my hand, and I'm gonna just color correct all the dark spots. So I have like so before I do my foundation, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. A little trick that I use, I have like this old Morphe eyebrow pencil. I just use the spoolie on it, and I use some petroleum jelly, and I put some on there, and then I literally put it on my eyebrows and brush it with that, just to hold my eyebrows hairs in place, so that when I am filling them in, they are already kind of in place. So I'm going to be using my Morphe Cold Brew Dip Brow Pomade, and then I'm using my Morphe Angled Eyebrow Brush. So I usually start on the outer side of it. If you can see, I start on the outer side of my eyebrow, and it's gonna look thick at first, but yeah, I just brush out those hairs and use my finger to kind of clean up around it, and then I go from the inner corner and then brush that in, and in the front I just make upward strokes for my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna use a new foundation on my face. I've never used this foundation, but I saw Holly Boone using this foundation and I really liked how it looked on her. So I got the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Luminous Matte Foundation. It's a full coverage liquid foundation, and I ordered this offline, and let me tell you, like, I don't really order like foundation and concealer offline because I always feel like if I do that, I'm gonna end up with like a color that's not matching me. But this color is really like, I tried it out on me, like I tested it out on my hand, and it was like a really good match for me. So I'm really like surprised at how well I matched my skin online. So this is a Huda Beauty, and this is the color Cinnamon. So now I'm gonna use a foundation brush. I have this Marc Jacobs foundation brush that I use, and I literally just take the rest that's off my hand, and then I just go in and kind of pat it in. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Full Wear concealer, and this is in the color Amber. First, I start here underneath my eyes, and I go down like that on my face. I'm gonna use my stippling brush. I think this is an e.l.f. stippling brush. Yeah, it is. And I'm going to use my Morphe spray, and I'm going to spray the brush, and then I'm going to blend that in. And I'm going to use a little concealer brush to get my nose. Okay, I'm gonna use this concealer brush and get my nose. Now I'm gonna use my wet beauty blender by Morphe and go over all that and blend everything. So make sure everything is blended well. Now I'm gonna do my contour. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty matchstick. I don't know if this is a foundation, but it's a matchstick, so I use it for my contour, and this is in the color Truffle. Oh, this is my cheekbone, and I literally just do it right under my cheekbone because I like my contour to be kind of high. Do my jawline and get that down the jawline. A Sigma 40 HD precision brush, and I'm gonna get some of that off the matchstick, and then I'm gonna go down and also have a 40 HD kabuki brush, so I use that for my cream contour. Well, first I'm gonna set it with my under eyes with my Ofra Cosmetics. I don't know if this is like a banana powder. Next step, I'm going to be using my Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette, and I'm going to be using this color. I'm going to go back and take my Ingold Kabuki brush, and I'm going to go in with that color, and I'm not even going to use a lot because it's super pigmented, and I'm going to go little bit more under eye powder, because I do want some extra powder underneath my eyes, because I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow in a second. My concealer, Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and put that on my eyelids. Not too much, because I already told you guys that this is a lot. Like, it's really full wear concealer. Okay, and then I'm using my concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna just set my eyelids with my beauty blender, making sure all the concealer's blended properly, because you don't want it to be too liquid and you want the concealer to be set before you do your makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my Caliente palette by Artist Couture, and I'm gonna use this color as my transition color. Yeah, that's a much. Okay, now I'm gonna be using this shader crease brush. It's like more precise than the other one, and I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place, the color that I was talking about being my transition. I'm gonna use that one now in my crease. So I'm putting that right there at the end outer corner of my crease, and I'm gonna make it really dark at the outer corner and then bring it in, blend it inwards. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm trying to make it really dark in the crease area. My concealer again and cut the crease. So small dot there, and then use my concealer brush to carve out my concealer. Violet Voss Essentials palette, and I'm gonna use the color Gold right here, and Beverly Hills brush, and I'm gonna go in with the gold, and I'm gonna just top that over the concealer area. And then I'm gonna go back with that Precision shadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Cinnamon in this palette, and I'm gonna take that with my look. I will link them down below. I don't know what's the brand, but they're like that. So I'm gonna do my lashes off camera because I think this is gonna take some time, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes. I'm going to be using I'm gonna be doing my eyeliner next. Say Fierce liner. Got this in a BoxyCharm too. Most of my makeup that I have these days, I got in a BoxyCharm. I'm gonna go into my waterline with this black liner that I got from Elf, and it's in Blackberry. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna like kind of like blend my face together because I do look kind of like patchy. As you guys know, I did put like extra powder, banana powder under my eyes because I was gonna do my eyes. So I'm gonna be setting my face with my new Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation. So this is a new foundation that Fenty Beauty came out with. They didn't have powder foundations before, and this is new, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna bring everything together for me. And like, I'm literally unboxing it right now, so I've never used this before. This is in the color, I don't know what color it is, but it says 380, so that's the color. And then I'm going to be using this kind of rounded, angled brush that I have in. This is the color, how it looks. I'm gonna just get that on my brush and the most important step, the inner corner. So I'm gonna use my Violet Voss color again, and I'm gonna use the color Cream, and I'm gonna put that into my inner tear duct. So that's that for the eyes, and now I'm gonna move on to my blush and bronzer. So I'm gonna be using the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go in with the Lena color, this little pink color right here, and I'm gonna be using this type of brush. I'm telling you, like, I got a whole brush set from Amazon, and I just been using the brushes. I don't know the numbers and all that, but this one says BS small. I'll link the links down below of where I got these brushes. So yeah, I'm gonna put my blush, and I'm gonna just smile and put that right over. Liquid highlight I'm using is the Iconic Drops by Illuminative Drops. I really like this. This color is blush. This concealer brush and top that. I'll be using this Revolution makeup palette, highlighter palette, and I'm gonna be using this color to highlight with and then I'm gonna be using this kind of fluffy brush, flat fluffy brush, to put that on top of my. Oh, the fun part, the lip part. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty again. I just got this lipstick from Fenty Beauty. It's the Uncensored. This is the Stunner Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty. I had to get this color for Valentine's Day because this is like a really good red, and I love the packaging. I love how different the packaging is from any other like lip product that I've seen, and I love the applicator on these. The applicator is so nice, and I'm gonna just apply that to my lips now. Now I'm gonna finish everything with my Morphe setting mist, and I'm gonna let that dry. Okay guys, like this is basically the look, and I will be back. I'm gonna go like do my hair and get into my outfit, and I'll be back to show you guys. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can keep putting out more makeup videos and tutorials and reviews for you guys. I really love how this came out. I think that it's super Valentine's Day vibes, to be honest. Like, I would definitely wear this on a date for Valentine's Day.